Ex-prisoner suing government for impotence.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
A former inmate is suing the state for an erectile condition that he reportedly developed while in state care, which has left him impotent. He is seeking millions of dollars in compensation. The claimant, Rupert Campbell, had developed an episode of priapism, which is a prolonged erection not caused by sexual stimulation or interest. The claimant, who reportedly underwent 3 surgeries because of the condition, is claiming that he developed the condition in 2006 after he was given pills by the prison's health worker following a seizure. The 54-year-old Manchester labourer is claiming negligence damages after contending that prison officials had ignored his repeated request for a medical examination after he developed a persistent erection and was in pain. 5 days reportedly passed before he was taken to hospital. The claim, which is against the Attorney General, was to begin on Monday in the Supreme Court, but was pushed back to September 19. Campbell was convicted of carnal abuse in 2004 and transferred to the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center. While there, he alleges that in February of 2006, he had an epileptic seizure and blacked out. When he woke up in the medical ward, he said he was given 6 pills by the medical orderly. Among the medication he charged were 3 brown pills that he had never taken before. Campbell further alleged that on February 21st that year, he began to feel uneasy and developed a mild erection which lasted the entire day and could not pass his urine. According to the claimant, the condition worsened the following morning and he went to the medical dispensary in pain and tears but was told by the orderly that he had developed a bladder infection. He was also given 2 yellow pills. The claimant said that he had never been examined at that time. Campbell claimed he took the pills, but the pain and erection intensified. As a result, he allegedly returned them to the orderly, as he was still not able to urinate. However, he said despite claiming that the pills were not working, he was given more medication. The very next day, Campbell alleged that he demanded to be seen by a doctor, but that request was not actioned. Claiming that the pain grew more intense, Campbell was eventually taken to hospital on February 26 after he complained to the acting superintendent. Campbell was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital but was transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he immediately underwent minor surgery to ease a clogged vein. Campbell claimed he underwent 2 more surgeries, including a major one to address the erection. But sometime after the surgery, the claimant said he realized he was impotent. The claimant was examined in 2015 by urologist Dr. William Aiken, who diagnosed him with severe permanent erectile dysfunction. According to the doctor, Campbell's impotence was likely a result of scarring of functional erectile tissue in his penis from the prolonged erection and the delayed treatment. The situation can, however, be rectified with a penile implant, the doctor said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!